Once your buyer completes their home inspection period, they may submit an inspection objection. This typically happens after they finish their home inspection, providing them with an opportunity to request repairs. It's important to note that as a seller, you are not obligated to complete any of these repairs. While it's not uncommon for sellers to feel offended by a long list of repair requests, it's essential to remember that buyers might not have been aware of these issues when they made their offer. For common issues like plumbing or outdated electrical in Colorado may come as a surprise to the buyer during the inspection. If the inspector finds these issues, the buyer might request repair, and it's reasonable to ask. So try not to take offense. It's part of the process. In a traditional real estate contract, the buyer has the option to cancel the contract and get their earnest money back if they don't approve of your response. How you handle the document with your agent is crucial. Here are some of the options for you once you receive the inspection objection document. Number 1. Accept the buyer's repair request. If you agree to this, the buyer moves out of the inspection period. Number 2. Counter the request. You can agree to repair some items, but not all. If you choose the counter, we'll prepare the counter offer and the buyer can respond. Number 3. Offer a credit. If you don't want to deal with repairs, you can offer the buyer a credit towards repairs. This amount will be deducted from your proceeds at closing. Number 4. Decline repairs. The last option is to say no to everything, but this comes with the risk of upsetting the buyer, potentially leading to a contract termination. Any agreed upon repairs need to be completed before the buyer's final walkthrough, typically within 3 days or before the closing period. Keep all repair receipts on your kitchen counter and email copies to us. Your agent will guide you through the inspection objection document, communicating with the buyer's agent to negotiate the best outcome for you. If you have questions, reach out to our team. And if you're looking for a realtor in the Denver area, our team would love to help. Like and subscribe to keep up with all things in the housing market in Colorado. If you want to learn more and receive a personalized consultation, just reach out to us at the links below and get a free buyers and sellers guide. This is Nick Rizzi, placing happy people into happy homes, your Denver Realtor.